Maintaining your ear protection. Essential tips for cleaning and storing your gear. Proper care of your hearing protection gear, whether reusable earplugs or earmuffs, is essential to ensure they maintain optimal performance and longevity. Here are some tips to help. Cleaning. Earplugs. Wash reusable earplugs with mild soap and warm water after each use. Allow them to air dry completely before storing. Avoid harsh chemicals that could degrade the material. Earmuffs. Clean the cushions and headband with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Avoid submerging the earmuffs in water to prevent damage to internal components. Storing. Store both earplugs and earmuffs in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Use a dedicated case to keep them free from dust, dirt, and damage when not in use. Inspecting. Regularly inspect earplugs for tears, cracks, or any wear. Replace them if they show signs of deterioration. For earmuffs, check the cushions and headband for wear and replace them if they become stiff or cracked. Handling. Avoid stretching the headband of your earmuffs excessively to preserve its clamping force. For earplugs, avoid tugging too hard when inserting or removing them, as this can reduce their durability. Following these maintenance practices will help keep your hearing protection in top shape, ensuring safety and comfort on the job. Contact us for all your PPE needs.